Hello! New day, new bahay. Today, I'm going to show you a 35 million house here in Puluamsik, Angeles City. One of the secured subdivision here in Angeles City. Tara!
Yan, eto. Ayan ang yung living area. Napaka-elegante ng living area. And then, yan ang yung powder room. And the left side, meron po siyang maliit na room. Pwede nyo siyang gawing office room. And here is your garage. Pwede po siya sa dalawang car na malalaki. And on your left, makikita nyo ang yung swimming pool. Okay, pasok tayo ulit sa loob. Ang ganda ng yung living area para sa inyong mga visitor. And here is your 6-seater dining area. Yung table is gawa sa wood. Very nice po. And here is your kitchen. Yan. Overlooking pala yung yung dining area sa pool. Yan, with rain. Tapos yan yung kitchen. Lahat ng mga gamit po is kasama na po sa price na 35 million. And here is your guest room. Yan. Meron na siyang AC and built-in closet. Tapos meron po siyang another toilet dito sa baba ng stair. Yan. Toilet and bath po. Pwede siyang shower. And here po dito sa labas, nandito po ang maid's room and dirty kitchen. Yan. Yan ang maid's room and dirty kitchen. May sarili po palang CR ang maid's room. So, yan, akit tayo sa taas. As you go upstairs, meron siyang family area. Ang ganda ng family area. Ito yung bedroom 1. Yan, may AC and may sarili pong toilet and bath. So, lahat ng room sa taas may sarili mga toilet and bath po. Yan, okay. Nahilo na ako. Ayan ang yung living area dito sa taas. Ang ganda. So, ito po yung bedroom number 2. So, here is your bedroom number 2. Kamukha lang po siya ng bedroom number 1. Yan, meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. Okay, ito po ang inyong master bedroom. Napakaganda ng master bedroom. Yan, super luwang. Yan. Super luwang ng master bedroom. And meron siyang walk-in closet, toilet and bath. Yan. Okay, let's go to bedroom number 4. Yung bedroom number 4, it's all natural light. Yan. All natural light siya, oh. It's up to you, ma'am, kung gusto nyong gawin tong bedroom number 4 or gym or office. Yan.